Hello students, welcome to your first class on computer graphics and multimedia lab. This video is prepared for the 5th semester information technology diploma students. First I am going to give you an idea on what is multimedia. So as I have told you earlier that you have to maintain a lab record. So note down whatever is displayed on these slides. So what is multimedia? It is the creative combination of multimedia elements like text, video, audio, graphics, animation and images. It excites ears, eyes, fingertips and our thought. It is a science and art. It can be interactive or non-interactive. You know what is interactive? Interactive means you can have a two-way communication between the computer and yourself. It conveys concepts through words, pictures and sounds. The process of employing a variety of digital images synchronized and perhaps embedded within one another or within an application to present and transmit information. So this particular laboratory has 3 components. In the first part you have to write down the C programs implementing the algorithms that are taught in your theory classes, computer graphics theory classes. So once you complete your theory portion, then you can write the C programs by using those algorithms. In the second part you have to work with Photoshop and the third one is your Flash. So we will begin with Flash. Flash is an interactive multimedia and web authoring software. It has become the professional standard for multimedia and web animation. It is not only used to design complete interactive websites but also arcade style games and database applications. Flash animations are faster than animated GIFs because Flash uses vector graphics instead of raster graphics and the file size is very small. Flash was created by Jonathan Gay, an employee of Silicon Beach Software Company. So what is the difference between the raster and vector graphics? The first one is image, bitmap or raster graphics and second one is drawing or vector graphics. There are 2 types of pictures. One is your raster graphics and other one is your vector graphics. Bitmap images are stored with the details of every pixel in the image. Pixels are the tiny dots that form the image. Since bitmap images requires bits to represent every pixel, they occupy more memory space and the file size is very large. An image with more pixel indicates high resolution. In vector-based drawing, all shapes are represented as mathematical equation. Your Flash deals with your vector graphics. Flash source files has the extension of .fla. Generally, a Flash file is called a Flash document. You have to create .swf, that is software Flash file, which is called Flash movie, and also this file can be run in the Flash player. So usually we will be dealing with a term that is called as your animation. Animation is the process of displaying a series of images one after the other. Each image is called a frame. In Flash animations are created in 2 important ways. You must have seen the running objects, moving objects. So certain images are being created and you will see that as if they are moving. So it is actually the process of displaying a series of images one after the other. So as I said, the animation is created in two important ways. One is called as a frame by frame animation and the other one is called as a twinned animation. So frame by frame animation. In this case, we can create images or objects for each frame and display the frames at a particular speed. It involves more work and takes more time to complete the animation perfectly. In twinned animation, you have to create the object only for the first and last frame of the animation, and Flash automatically interpolates the intermediate frame for animation based on the object size and color, etc. It is also of two types. One is called as your motion tuning and other one is called as your self tuning. After this, Devjani madam will tell you how to install Flash, how the Flash screen looks and what are its different parts, the operation of different tools of the toolbox, and then he will demonstrate you how to create the Flash file for different object and animation as detailed in your syllabus. If you go through the syllabus, you can see that there is a set of animations that is to be done by you. So she will demonstrate you one by one how those files are to be created. So if you are having your laptop, it will be better for you if you can have a Flash installed in your laptop, and also you can run those programs. Okay, thank you.